Sales professionals, this one simple change is going to make you a lot more money. It's going to help you close a lot more business. And you're going to feel good about yourself and your prospects will love you. I want you to stop making proposals. I want you to stop pitching your product. And I want you to start making recommendations. Whenever you're going to present pricing, a product, or a solution to a potential client, you need to be able to use these words. Because of the fact that you said blank, I'd like to recommend our blank, right? Because of the fact that you told me you guys are having problems with overnight shipping, I would like to recommend our 24/7 package. If you're not in a position to say, because of the fact that you said, or because of the fact that you told me, you have not earned the right to pitch or present anything, you need to understand that prospect, what's going on in their life, where they want to go, and at that point you can say, hey, because of the fact that you said you want to get here, I'd like to recommend our solution that will get you there. It's a little difference, but it makes a huge impact. My name's Matt Easton. Follow me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life.